welcome to St. Riders News this Monday, the 22nd of February 2021. Oh, birthdays! Dolly, it's your birthday today. Happy birthday! Did you know you share your birthday with James Hunt, singer and songwriter, music English. Julie Walters, actress and writer, drama English. Bruce Forsyth.
Nice to see you,
If you remember, presenter, actor, comedian, singer, dancer and screenwriter. English, drama, music, comedy. So not Mr. Palmer and nothing to do with sport. Okay, oh well. We missed a few birthdays over the half term. So belated wishes go to, big breath, Farah, Molly, Robin, Toby, Amy May, Albert, Benedict, Freya, Kevin, Nicoletta, Ava and Joshua. We hope you had an amazing birthday time during your rest. I certainly did. Oh, that week off was amazing. So I enjoyed all your birthdays, and all the ones that didn't have birthdays those days, I enjoyed those too. Thank you. So what's on this week? Well, this week sees the Year 8 take their CE exams. Good luck to you all. Fingers crossed. Today, form time. Wake up time. Tomorrow, school assembly and the piano with Vincent Barella. Wednesday, we have midway assembly and chapel radio, which you'll find on Richie's chapel radio podcast. Thursday, upper assembly and the chapel radio, also on Richie's podcast. And Friday, we'll have mindfulness and the Friday gathering, which this week is Evensong. Dr. Falls and his musos come out in force, one of my favourite times. In a previous news item, you may recall I asked for real instruments to be played for Harry's prayer for TV jingles. Well, how about a collective of musicians creating the jingle in a very professional manner? Now, when I say professional, it's about way above my level. Way. I'm just a lowly amateur. So Felix and family, some of these people you may recognise. Take it away. Wasn't that amazing? In the words of Dr. False, that was marvellous. Thank you. Nice to see some old faces there again. Hello again. Mrs. Thompson has been back to the bake and has created an instructional video on how to make a chocolate torte. This video can be found on Teams and we will upload it to social media later today. Here's a sneak preview.
Because you're using good chocolate, it's really important that you also use good quality butter. Now I have to say I am biased and I always use unsalted Kerrygold, which is delicious. But actually I don't really mind as long as it's a good quality butter. They're a pack. There's many brands out there that you can choose.
Thank you, Mrs. Thompson. It looks delicious. I've seen the whole video, it looks amazing. So if you make a Mrs. Thompson cake, please do feel free to drop us an email and show us how you did. Be aware, we will show it. Shame I can't taste them. Okay, scholarship news update. During the break, we heard that Rory and Patrick both gained a scholarship to Battle Abbey School. Rory with an all-rounder and Patrick with music. Congratulations to you both. Marvellous news keeps coming through all the time. Spelling Shed. Yes! During the half term, the children were working. This is amazing. So some pupils have been busy bees over the half term. Let's have a little look of what's been happening. Hopefully we can play the music without getting it cut off. So in 5th place, a new entry for Ben with 1,879,060. 4th place, a new entry for Lizzie with 2,983,100. A high climber for Benedict with 5,412,158. Last week's top spot drops 1 place to 2, Kit with 6,834,354. And returning to the number 1 spot this week, Sophie with 6,881,435. Which means the board shows. In 5th place, a new entry for Remove. In 4th place, another brand new entry, Mary Spellers. Welcome to the board, guys. Year 3 moves up 1 spot. Year 3 Chickens from last time. They were in place 3. Midway PG moves up from 3rd place to 2nd place. Well done. And then Midway JG from 2nd place to the top spot this week. All from memory, honest. Okay, well done everyone. I'm quite impressed you did that over the half term. Now, really? I've got this? You've had a whole week without him, but under my legal obligations, here is Mr. P and his attempt at a joke for the day.
Good morning. I'm pretty sure you're going to like this one a lot. Okay, well, we'll find out. I had to go shopping the other day. I had a whole load of stuff that I had to get. My wife asked me to get, including lots and lots of flour. She wanted lots of flour. So my bag was full. The flour was the last thing I picked up, so it was all on the top of the bag. And as I came out of the shop, a couple of bags fell out onto the floor. And a chap came running up and he said, "Oh, don't worry," he said, "I'll help you with those." I said, "Don't worry, it's absolutely fine. They're self-raising."
I'm not going to mention anything. Can we go straight to the weather?
Up in Scotland, it's -4, very windy, so you might need to wrap up warm. Down in England, it is pretty warm, so you might need to wrap up warm, and it could snow.
Well, that's all we have time for. Stay safe, stay away from those screens. I would stay warm, but I think it's going to warm up. So do enjoy the weather when you get the chance to pop out there. See you tomorrow. Goodbye. A whole week I've not had to listen to one of his jokes. It was bliss.